guys!
Hi
Welcome
guys.
back to Eliza's World. I'm Eliza.
I'm Leanne.
And today we are doing string arts.
From Hobbycraft.
Yay.
String art from Hobbycraft cost about £5, I think it was. This one is birds on a line, and included in the box is a hardboard, a template, nails and cottons.
Yeah.
So to start off, what you'll need to do is lay your template over the wooden block. I've also marked the back just so I know the centre and exactly how I'm going to hang it later on. I've secured the template with pegs because I was going to use clamps, but then I thought I know everybody has pegs in their house, and this secured it perfectly so we could use a nail and go round and tap all the holes in all of the birds. This took about half an hour. I needed help from the magic elf known as Eliza's dad. Putting all the nails in and the template actually took over an hour to do. So that's something that you need to bear in mind. And this is the finished item, well, the semi-finished item. So some things I wish I'd have known before I started was if I'd have thought about this, I would have actually painted this a sky blue so it looked like the birds were actually sitting on a electricity line or something. No, you know when they
I know.
They're not going to get electrocuted. So I would have done that, and also in order to help with any of the nails that bent, we used some needle nose pliers to keep them straight and to actually help us in the fiddly corners. That we thought was a bit disappointing was there were only 2 nails spare, which meant that if you bent one of these by accident you'd only have one more chance before you'd have to find identical nails to replace these.
But it is cute though. I love the birds.
It does look very good so far.
Yeah. Yeah, do you like the birds sitting like this? You can see it on the box as well. These are the threads which come with it. You have the navy blue, the lemon yellow, and the green type of tree, four-night tree, and the white and the pink. But
so we're going to come back to you in a minute after we've threaded all this together.
Yay!
Let's go.
Good already. It's already looking nice. Thank you for doing that knot. This is our finished product.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it because it's kind of nice and relaxing. Because it does sound like twine, and sometimes at some points when you pull it a bit too much, and sometimes you pluck it with your finger. It sounds like a guitar sometimes.
Yes, it does. Yeah.
So it's very nice as well.
I enjoyed doing it. I think my only problems were the fact that it wasn't. It was suitable for beginners. It says on the box. However, unless you're very good at putting nails in and not having bent nails all over the place, you may need a little bit of help initially for this. Plus as well, I do wish I'd have thought about it a bit more and painted the background as well before we started.
Well, I like it the way it is.
But I quite like it. What left to do is I've marked the centre there, and we're going to add a hanging clip which comes included with the pack. So we'll show you what it looks like on the wall in a little bit.
Yes.
But out of 10, Right, and we'll just talk about so I'll give it sort of 4 out of 10 for the setup. That needs to be a little bit more easier, I think. So if you was going to give this a score out of 10 for the weaving and the part that you did, how much would you give it?
I would give it a 9, and at one point off, I think that there could have been more colours.
Yeah.
So I think that you could have had like 2 reds, 2 oranges, 2 yellows, because then you could make 2 maybe of the birds.
It should have been an assortment of templates, so you could have just chose 2 birds on their own, bigger birds or smaller birds.
Yeah, that would have been way more better. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our eyes as well. And in the comments, tell us what you think of this.
Are you going to buy one from Hobbycraft? And if so, let us see your pictures. So don't forget to like, subscribe.
And I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.